So on the first one, this is an isosceles triangle because we've got two sides that are the same. What I would do on this one is I would drop in a vertical down here, and what that's actually going to do is bisect that bottom side, meaning that it's going to split it in half. So instead of looking at that full 6 foot distance, this piece over here would be 3 foot, and this piece over here would be 3 foot. And what that actually does is creates a right triangle in here. And special kind of right triangle is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So that tells me that the height of this triangle is automatically 4 feet. So then we can use the area of a triangle formula, which is 1/2 times the base times the height. So we would go 1/2 times the base of 6 times the height of 4. Half of 6 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So this one would be 12 square feet. The second one you gave me is not a nice isosceles triangle, and it's not a nice right triangle either, so I'm going to use something called Heron's formula, and that goes the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. S is the semi-perimeter, so what we're going to do is we're going to add up the sides, so 7 plus 8 plus 10, but then we're going to split that in half. So 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 10 is 25, split in half, we get an S value of 12.5. And I'm going to call the 7 A, I'm going to call the 8 B, and I'm going to call the 10 C. So I would do the square root of that 12.5 times 12.5 minus 7 times 12.5 minus 8 times 12.5 minus 10. Now if we do that subtraction inside of those parentheses, we'd get the square root of 12.5 times 5.5 times 4.5 times 2.5. When you multiply all that stuff underneath the radical, you get 773.4375. And then when you square root that answer, you get about 27.81. So 27.81 square feet.